Okay, guys, so here's the product. It's brand new. You can see over here we did 0, 0, 0 the past couple weeks. Over here, the first week we did $170. There were 30 of these units enrolled in Vine, so we didn't have any reviews yet. Brand new listing. So we went from 170 to 900 to 1700 the following week to 2300, and now this previous week just passed. Today's November 20th. So last week that just passed, we did 4400. Profit is the highest that it's ever been. Our orders are the highest it's ever been. Our organic orders are the highest it's ever been. So the great part about this is I basically shut off the ads almost completely. So you can see right over here, PPC cost. So this is how much we spent every week. So 0.67 cents, 150 the first week, 280, then 29, 13. So I basically lowered down all the ad spend. I wanted to see what would happen if we shut off the ads for two reasons. I don't usually do that, at least not this quickly after a new launch. But right now it's Q4. We all want to make money. And if we're going to continue to spend for another month pushing this with ads, we're definitely going to miss the entire season. We're going to miss the whole Q4. So we ranked it organically for the main term, got up to the top of the page for one or two terms. And that's why the organic sales are continuously rising, like you can see over here. This one don't really count because there were 30 of them in Vine. 54, 190, 260, and now this past week, 488 units with no ad spend. These are all organic units. Wanted to put this out there and show you what you need to do if you're in a big rush to make money. Usually, you really want to push it. You know, the stronger you can go, the more ads you can spend and rank it for every keyword possible. You'll get a lot more sales that way. But we were in a bit of a rush. We can't wait 3 months to really build it up. Usually I'll say 3 months to build up a monster listing. This, we had to do it in 1 month. And, thank God it's going great. The past 3 weeks, you can see we're spending basically nothing. $20, $10, $13 a week. We're spending nothing, and our sales are increasing week after week. Our organic sales, not our PPC. PPC, you can see the ACOS over here was 120, 60, 70, 100. Now it's 20% for the week, but we're spending nothing on it. So our tacos is right over here. The past week, the tacos was 0.32%. The week before that was 0.43. So do I recommend always doing this? No, definitely not, because there's a lot of potential. We could be doing maybe 4 or 5 times the sales that we're doing now. But also we want to make money this Q4. We don't want to just, sell things at a loss. And if it was any other time, I would say, let's give it another month. Let's keep pushing it. Let's get the sales double or triple. But the truth is, it looks like it's going that way anyway. And we're ranked for the organic keyword on the top of the page. And more keywords are also improving. So yeah, we lucked out with this one. It's doing great. If anyone has any questions with this, please let me know. I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching.